Hello guys, welcome to Dasset Media Production. My name is Dave and today we are reviewing a Mini Wi-Fi Repeater, a product we ordered about 2 months ago, just over 2 months ago, and finally arrived today. So we ripped right into it and this is what we found. First things first, the customer service and customer service support from this company was absolutely appalling. We contacted them about 4 times to find out what's going on in this 2.5 months. All they were giving us is the tracking number. No explanation, no nothing. It was just terrible. Now, this is what we got inside of the package. There's a little wireless connection, Wi-Fi Blast. We really wanted to figure out and check their claims. Their claims are huge and we wanted to put them to the test. We wanted to check their claim that they can actually boost wireless connection to 300 megabits per second at access point of 2.4 gigahertz. In the yellow package we found the box of the Wi-Fi Blast, AU plug and this little note. Award-winning customer service. Not so much. Ah well, you can't have it all, can you? Well, life goes on. What can you do? And no use of crying about it. Let's open the box, see what's in there. Nice little flap. It gets attached to a cover. Lift the cover up easy, no problems at all. And in there's a plastic container, very thin plastic. It's like a bed thing, and inside you have the quick installation guide and Ethernet cable that is about 1/2 meter long. And Mini Wi-Fi Repeater. Right, Mini Wi-Fi Repeater comes up with US plug attached to it. On one side you have the LAN access connector and a reset button. And that's pretty much it in there. Very interesting thing that connecting cable didn't have any protection on top of it. I thought it would have protection on top, a little cap that is protecting it, but there was absolutely nothing on it. And this would be, I believe, Cat 5 connector, or the cable. So again, for something that claims to be so good and creates miracles, Cat 5 cable, I don't know. Right. The quick installation guide says plug and play, no issues, no dramas, you'll be good. All you have to do is go to their website and set it up. No problems. That's how it looks like. And as you can see, it's not really too much going on there. So for something that is not too much going on there, explanation is relatively okay. That should be easy, right? Absolutely easy to set it up. They've also sent a AU plug. An AU plug is a little bit different from a US plug. And installation of that plug is quite simple. It's press that little button on the corner and twist and pull. Simple as that. There's 4 connectors in there. Let's put that AU plug in there. I just push, twist, and Bob's your uncle. Push, twist. Ta-da! Right. That's pretty much how it looks like. Let's get testing. Let me explain and show you my setup. I have NBN modem with TP-Link dual Wi-Fi modem, and I am on NBN 100, which is 100 megabits per second NBN. Right? That's simple as that. Let me show you my Wi-Fi setup. This here is 2.4 gigahertz connection, and this here is my 5 gigahertz connection. After trying for almost 45 minutes to connect it, this is the Wi-Fi Blast Repeater. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to test this on 3 different websites. The speed test on 2.4 and 5, and also we'll do it on the repeater later on. The first one is Telstra, the next one is iiNet, and we'll go to next one, which is independent one. Right, so let's start with Telstra. So we're starting with Telstra. We're doing that 2.4 gigahertz, and these are results for 2.4 gigahertz. I'll speed up the process a little bit to get to the results a bit faster, and here they are, 51.3 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz. Let's test it on iiNet. I'll put it on a 3 times faster speed so we can get this faster done. And here are the results on 2.4 gigahertz. Let's test it on independent. Here we go again, 4 times the speed, quick results. And this is what this website says. 26.1 and upload 8.9 on 2.4 gigahertz. Telstra says it's 51 and these guys says 26. And we did this through these websites here. Alright, let's go into 5 gigahertz testing. Alright, let's connect our Wi-Fi to 5G, 5 gigahertz, and once that is connected, let's do the testing again. I want to go through every single process and every single step so no one can come back and say, oh, you didn't do the right thing, or you're reviewing it and you have no idea what you're doing. So this is what we're doing, 5G, 2.4 and 5G, and then we'll do the repeater test. We're going to run through the Telstra again on 5G, and let's see what that says. I sped up this clip about 4 times the speed, and Telstra 5G results right here. We're going to do the iiNet again on 5G. And this is what iiNet says for our 5G connection. Right, that concludes our pre-testing. So let's go into repeater testing, see what that has to say. So I've connected the repeater, the Wi-Fi repeater. I have tried so many times. It was just not connecting. It was just not getting it on. It took me about 45 minutes of going through it to finally get a connection. So I'll just speed up this clip as well so you can see that I've done everything possible. For some unknown reason, he was just refusing to connect. He didn't want to go through repeater mode. It wasn't doing what I was hoping it's gonna do. It's plug and play, and that's what it is. No, it just kept doing its own thing. Kept refusing to connect. Well, after 45 minutes of fidgeting and going all over the place, pressing the VPS button and all that sort of stuff, finally gave up. But yeah, it's just didn't want to go into admin site or on their website. It was refusing to access. I connected the Ethernet cable. I disconnected it. I've done so many different things. It just didn't want to do it. So, just to skip this forward, I'll show you how I connected to it. As I said, it took me about 45 minutes to get it connected and to get it working. So I put this clip on about 12 times the speed, so you just see that. And I also cut all these "you're not connected" really a lot. But finally, when I made it, I was able to connect to it, and the first thing I want to do is to test the speed. It was still giving me a hard time. And here was the first test of the Wi-Fi Blast. I was expecting to see this to go through the roof. Look at that. Download 27.8 megabits per second through my own provider. And look at the curves, instability of the connection, upload speed of 18.2. So you see that this is not connected. The 2.4 and 5 is not connected. It is on the extension of it, which is the Wi-Fi Blast. That's the one. And I'll test it again just to show you again. It just didn't want to go over it, because they actually selling that you can get up to 300 megabits per second speeds. Variations are terrible. Unbelievable. So it's a false advertising. It is absolutely amazing. And again, I'm showing you the 2.4 and 5G is not connected. It is connected to the Wi-Fi Blast. Now I'm going to reconnect my 2.4 and do the test on 2.4 gigahertz, my own router. Okay, I run it again through Telstra speed test. Okay. Okay, so we can see it now there. It is just connected to my 2.4, and let's do the test on Telstra as well. Boom, there it is. 42.5 megabits per second on my 2.4. No word of a lie. There you go. Trust me, I didn't stop there. I continued testing for the next an hour, I believe so. And every time the same results. Every time the same results. No changes in results whatsoever. At the end, what I did, I took my Cat 8 Ethernet cable and connected to the router and my computer, turned the Wi-Fi off, and did a testing so you can see what does the speed look like on Ethernet cable. So this is pretty close to what I'm paying for. I mean, 92.4 is pretty decent. And I tested again on TPG and INET and TPG, and I'm getting very close to the same results each and every single time. No issues. So in conclusion, guys, Wi-Fi Blast blasted. In my opinion, busted. In my opinion, it is not worth money invested. So looking at the product, that is right there, and their claims of boosting your wireless range to 300 megabits per second on 2.4 access point, busted. Not even close to general and genuine 2.4. It is entirely up to you guys whether you want to order this product or not, but as far as I'm concerned, this product is a bust and money is wasted. So that's it from me today, guys. I have several more products and unboxing videos coming up. One is the iPhone video streaming accessories. That is the hot one, and I can't wait to show you that, guys. So if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, please do so. Press that notification bell button so you have that you get notified when I upload a new video. Please give us thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family on your social media networks, and I invite you to come on Patreon to check out my page there, and if you wish, become my patron on Patreon. I would appreciate it very, 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 very much. Thank you once again, guys. Thanks for watching and ongoing support. Greatly appreciated. Up until the next video, please take care of yourself and each other.